Okay, everybody, this is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Auchenbart, illustrated by Lois Ehlhart. Let's see what's on this first page. What are these? Is this the alphabet?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job, everybody. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Auchenbart, illustrated by Lois Ehlhart. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Whee, said D to EFG, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP and QRS and TUV. Still more, W and XYZ. The whole alphabet up the, oh no! Chicka Chicka Boom Boom! Skit Scat Scoodle Doot Flip Flop Flee. Everybody run into the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next to the pile-up, skin knee D, stub toe E, and patched up F, then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I, J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped, O is twisted, alley-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle doot, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's Black Eye P, QRS, and Loose Tooth T. Then U, V, W, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come is XYZ. And then the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. And then we have our ABCs again. The end.
The end.
That's a good story.
I like that.